Hi everybody, it's Miss Hildreth, and this is another one of my videos. And this is stop number 3. I don't know why my camera keeps going dark, but there maybe. I don't know. Anyways, we're going to the Peloponnesian Peninsula. So, this is a picture of the peninsula. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so then we're going to go down here to, oops, I'm jumping. Okay, so I'm going to slide up here in the corner. I think this is the best spot for me. Okay, so this is slide 17 is the Peloponnesian Peninsula, which we heard about that on our Get Your Goat video that we watched the other day. So there's a look at it. Okay, so slide 18, it gives you a map. And on the map, it gives you Macedonia, Ionia, Aegean Sea, Ionian Sea, Olympia, Corinth, Athens, Sparta, and you need to find find Peloponnesus. And you're going to drag your star, and you're going to drop it in the correct spot for that part of the activity. Then we're going to move on to slide 19, and we're going to click on Explore. And it's going to take us to Google Earth again. I'm going to slide out of here for a second. So we'll give it a minute to load. And hope everybody's enjoying their weekend. Went to the Fulton County Fair yesterday. Ate a lot of fair food. So saw the animals. So hope everybody did something fun to enjoy. The weather was really nice yesterday. So I'm going to click over here. I'm going to go back. And it says, the peninsula of southern Greece connected to the mainland by the Isthmus of Corinth. Peloponnese had rocky harbors, narrow coastal plains, and tall limestone mountains that created a rocky terrain. Notable cities included Corinth, Sparta, and Olympia. The Temple of Hera, pictured above, is located in Olympia. This is where the Olympic flame is lit before it is carried around the world to the opening ceremony of the Olympic Games. So there's a little bit of background information. I'm hoping that Google Earth, nope, it's still spinning. So we'll hang out and see if it'll actually load. There we go. Always takes a minute. So go ahead and kind of check out, scroll around. There's people, but see what it's like there, zoom in to things. You can see mountain ranges in the back. So that's a look at the Peloponnese Peninsula. Okay, so now we're going to move on. And this peninsula was involved in the Persian Wars from 499 to 479 BCE. Now, think about what BCE stands for. I know you learned this with Mrs. Grimmer last year, as well as the Peloponnesian War from 431 to 404 BCE between Sparta and Athens. This region fell to the Romans in 146 BCE and later became a part of the Ottoman Empire. So if you check out the map, kind of gives you a little bit, and if you need to, you can zoom it in, but it gives you an idea of alliances at the start and the contrasting strategies. And this is the allies. So there's a map. There's a little bit of information. So here's your questions. Your first question is, what did you find interesting or surprising as you learned? Let me shrink myself up. As you learned about or toured the Temple of Hera in Olympia, Greece. So I found it interesting, or I found it surprising, and then finish the sentence. Okay. Now describe your surroundings and specifically the landscape. So when they say landscape, they mean, were there trees, were there rocks, were there mountains, was it a desert, things like that, of Olympia, Greece. So you'll say, my surroundings included, or it looked or Olympia, Greece look like, and then finish the sentence. So that is stop number 3. That was the Peloponnesian Peninsula. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If not, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.